When your Toyota makes a noise it shouldn't, call our appointment specialist.
Good morning, Charlesglen Service, Eddie speaking. Hi there, how can I help you today?
At Charlesglen Toyota, our appointment coordinators are trained specialists in booking the most complex of appointments.
So you're saying is a or a
The noise sounds like hum hum hum, right? No? Oh, so it sounds like whoop 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 whoop.
I'm Ashley Brockhurst, and when your vehicle makes a noise it shouldn't, we can help. Our technicians utilize every resource when diagnosing and troubleshooting to ensure we have looked after your concern the way you hear it. From clunks to knocks to squeals, we will get you back to road ready. Diagnosing and troubleshooting appointments starting at just $73. So call today so we can look after your...
is it like a or a
Like and then goes whoop 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 whoop.